Hey, to record screen on your POCO X6, all you have to do is just to open this control center, and then from here you will have to find the screen recorder icon. In my case it appears right here, so when I tap on it I will get this bar, and to start we will have to click just right here. Now if you want to finish, just click here, and that's quite simple. But before recording, I can also recommend you to click on this settings icon and customize some options like resolution, video quality, the sound source. That's actually very important because as default it's actually switching to the system sounds. So if you want to record your microphone while recording the screen, you will have to switch it. And also it's recommended to switch the frame rate to 30, 60 or 90 frames per second to get very smooth screen. And yeah, that's all. If you are looking for your screen recorder, for your screen records, they will be available in your gallery. So when you go to the albums and go into the screenshots and the screen recorder, here you will be able to find them. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.